guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is a quick unboxing. I just came from work and picked this up at the UPS. I always do reroute my package because I'm not able to receive them while I'm at work. So here you go, and I'm very excited because I needed this item so bad. Just to let you know, this is a wallet, and it's a compact wallet. I used to have a compact wallet like maybe 1.5 years ago, but I had to get Louis Vuitton replace it because of the glazing on the side, and I opted to get a Clemence with the flower pull, but then it's not me. Long wallet is not for me, so I had to get rid of it, and so this is the replacement for that. And I'm so excited. This is a new color. I've already opened the box, so it'll be a faster unboxing. Just the receipt. And this is the item. And this cost $700. To reveal this beautiful Victorine in Freesia, Freesia color. So Freesia color. So it's like a hot pink color. And it's so pretty. If you could just see it in person, it's so pretty. I love Victorine a lot because it's a very compact wallet, and it's very functional to me. So when I got rid of the Victorine wallet in the original print, which is the monogram and the I believe it's the fuchsia, I was really sad and I miss it so much. And right now I am using my compact demi-ebene wallet, which is still kind of like a mid-size, so I needed something small like this. And so this is what it looks like. You see, it's so pretty. I love the color, and this is made in France, and it has a bill compartment. Has compartment here, compartment there. You can put 6 credit card slots. You can put cards in here, and then this come in a coin purse here. So this is the Victorine in the Empreinte color Freesia. And the number is M62554. So that's what it looks like. And then it came with this monogram Empreinte care card or care booklet. And this thing is so soft. It's not stiff, of course. It's the leather. So I'm so in love with this. So I'm so excited to use this. I will be back, and I'm gonna try on my cards inside here. Okay, so this is what I'm currently using right now. So as you can see, in comparison, the size is about 3/4 of the compact wallet, and then the width is about the same. So I'm gonna see how the credit card slots feel like when you put in the card. I know when I had my monogram Victorine in the past, the first time, the card slots were so super tight. So hopefully, I heard for the Empreinte one, it's not too bad. So I'm just gonna see. It's no problem at all. It's so easy, so quick. And then this is so that's my my debit card, my ID. I have like 2 debit cards, and then I have one credit card just in case. So if you put the third one, it's a little tighter, but it still goes in no problem. And then I have a Target debit card that I can put here. And then I have another debit card from Target. So I have two debit cards from Target, two regular debit cards. So that's pretty much my common ID. And then if I want to put more cards, like for example my insurance card, my health insurance, I'm going to put it right here. And then if I want to put my work license, then I can put it here. And then you can put your bills. I have a couple of bills here. I'll put it right here. And then if you want, you can put your coins here. I don't normally put coins, but like in emergency, sometimes I put coins and then I take it out as well. So you can always put more cards here if you need to. So if you want to put more cards, right there. So here you go. Oh my gosh, this is so wonderful. I love the Victorine wallet because of its functionality. And it has glazings on the side. I just hope that the glazing lasts for a long time, because that's the only thing with the Victorine is the glazing on the sides. Of course, if you keep using it, opening it close like that, it's gonna have some wear on the corners. That's where I had my problem before. The Louis Vuitton fixed it, and then within like 2 months after fixing, it came off again. So they had to give me a store credit. So this is it, and this comes in a gold stud or a gold press stud here. So this is what I love about it, because you don't have to worry about chipping off. With the monogram, it came with the fuchsia color thing also that comes off over time. So this one is in the metal gold as well. So that's it, guys. So hope you guys like it, and I'm so excited because this matches my new bag, or new to me bag. First is this wonderful Rose Indian Alma BB. So I finally have a smaller wallet that can fit here, that is also Louis Vuitton. So as you can see, there you go. So you know, fits perfectly. So that's how they look compared to each other. So they're kind of similar. This is more of the fuchsia. So that's that. And then also, of course, with my new Clapton, this is perfect for that. You know, if I want to use it with your pochette, not pochette, but mini pochette. So you can see I'm using this right now. See, they also match. So mini pochette here. I can put my mini pochette in the back or in the front, and then I can put this in the back, sideways like that, and I can put something else. So that's all what I have right now, but I'm just so happy that I have a smaller wallet that's from Louis Vuitton. So that's it, you guys, and hope you guys like this unboxing. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.